Welcome to our quick summary series. This is a quick fire summary video. For a longer, more detailed explanation, head over to reviseitright.com. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss our 10 minutes a day daily revision, uploaded every day. And if you do enjoy this video, please give it a like. The equation for photosynthesis is carbon dioxide plus water goes to oxygen plus glucose. You need to learn how different factors affect the rate of photosynthesis. The first factor is light. Let's take a look. Here I'm drawing a graph on how light intensity affects the rate of photosynthesis. If light intensity is 0, the rate of photosynthesis is always 0. Nothing is happening. As we increase the light intensity, the rate of photosynthesis also increases. We can see this with this graph here. This is because light provides energy for photosynthesis. The more energy, the more photosynthesis that can happen. If we increase the light intensity and the rate of photosynthesis also increases, that tells us that the light intensity was limiting. A limiting factor is something that, when increased, increases the rate of the reaction. Here, we increase light intensity and the rate of photosynthesis increased. Therefore, it must have been a limiting factor. If we keep increasing light intensity, there comes a point where the rate of photosynthesis no longer increases. The graph starts to plateau. At this point, light intensity is not a limiting factor. Something else is. That other limiting factor could be carbon dioxide, temperature, or amount of chlorophyll. The second is carbon dioxide. Here is a graph to represent how carbon dioxide affects the rate of photosynthesis. As we initially increase the level of carbon dioxide, the rate of reaction increases. This is because we have more carbon dioxide for the reaction to take place. Here, we increase carbon dioxide and the rate of photosynthesis is increasing. Therefore, it must be a limiting factor. If we keep increasing carbon dioxide, the rate of reaction of photosynthesis will not increase. This is when something else is limiting the reaction. At this point, carbon dioxide is not a limiting factor. Something else is. That other factor could be light, temperature, or amount of chlorophyll. Another factor that affects the rate of photosynthesis is amount of chlorophyll. Here's a graph to show that now. As we initially increase the amount of chlorophyll, the rate of photosynthesis increases. This is because the more chlorophyll, the more light that can be absorbed for photosynthesis. If we keep increasing the amount of chlorophyll, the rate of reaction will not increase. This is when something else is limiting the reaction. That other factor could be light, temperature, or amount of carbon dioxide. The final factor that affects photosynthesis is temperature. As we initially increase the temperature, the rate of photosynthesis increases. This is because the higher the temperature, the more energy the enzymes have. This then reaches the optimum temperature. The temperature the rate of reaction is the best. That's this point here. After the optimum, the enzymes will denature and the rate of photosynthesis will decrease rapidly, as you can see here. To summarize, a limiting factor is something that, when increased, increases the rate of reaction. Increasing carbon dioxide amount of chlorophyll and light initially increases the rate of reaction until something else limits it. Increasing temperature also initially increases the rate of reaction until it passes its optimum, where the enzymes denature and the reaction stops. You have now learnt about limiting factors and how light, carbon dioxide, and amount of chlorophyll and temperature affect the rate of photosynthesis. You will find a summary of this information below. Make sure you test yourself using the quiz on reviseitright.com. Remember to subscribe to our channel and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss our 10 minutes a day daily revision uploaded every day. And if you did enjoy this video, please give it a like. We are super excited here on reviseitright.com about the launch of our brand new website. I just wanted to quickly take you through some of the amazing features on our site. Here you can make a profile just like you can on other social media websites, but this one is all about revision, the very first of its kind. You can write in questions here, for example, so can someone help me with the function of bile? You can post it and one of our tutors or another member of the community will get back to you. We're really excited about the revision community we can make here. If you go to the Learn part, here you can have access to text, videos, and quizzes from all the topics you will need in GCSE Science. You'll have access to all the summary videos that we have on YouTube, but also much longer videos that aren't available on YouTube that go into real detail on each topic. We will also have daily and weekly revision challenges for each biology, chemistry, and physics. New challenges each day. And this will link in with the leaderboard so you can compare how you're doing to how everyone else is doing. And really excitingly, you can also book extremely cheap group and private revision classes with one of our tutors. We'll be updating the website all the time, so head on over to reviseitright.com and sign up for a free account today.